Welcome. In front of me I have Nike Adapt BB 2.0 and today I will show you how we can make the system reset of this shoe. So if you want to re-enter our Nike Adapt personalization settings and remove the connection to the Period Adapt app, we have to perform this simple system reset. So we can make it on the two ways. The first one, we can use app, but when the application is not working, we have to focus on our shoes. So on the either shoe, we have to press and hold the both buttons for like 5 seconds, and we have to release that buttons when the LED turns red. Then we have to press one of the button, for example this one, and when the lights are on, we have to click 3 times the second button, and this LED should turn to the green. Right now we have to leave them and then do the same for the second shoe. So let's try it and make it on the left one. I mean, it's right one. Okay, on the right one. So click and hold the both buttons at the same time and keep holding for 5 seconds. Okay, it's not working. Let's try to turn them on. Let's focus on this one. Okay, they are turned on. Let's make it here for 5 seconds. Right now, just release, press one of them, keep holding, and then press this one, 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see, it was simple right here. Let's try to make the second one way on this one. So it's turned on. Yeah, it is. So press them for 5 seconds. Release, then tap plus, keep holding, and then minus for 3 times. And right now, here it is. So as you can see, that's how the system reset looks on this shoe. It's not factory, it's not hard reset, and it's not even the soft reset. Is the system reset, and we are right now able to re-enter our Nike Adapt personalization settings to Adapt app. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any other problems with your Nike Adapt BB 2.0, for example, you got problems with lacing motors, you have to perform soft reset. If the soft reset is not working, you have to make the hard reset. And yeah, you can find this video on our channel. Thank you for watching and see ya.